Now let's cache the products. Right now it's running really fast, but we have to delay it. We will put a 2-second sleep here. So if you use the products API, will get delayed by 2 seconds, 2.05 seconds. Now let's use Redis to improve the performance of this call. There are two ways to deal with it. I will show you both. So the first one is to do it like this. First, we will get what Redis has already stored. So the result is equal to cache get. So we need the key. Redis works as a key value database. So for everything we need to set a key and a value. So in this case, products. So we want a key of products here, and we will get the result. So if the result is set, then we return the result, and we don't sleep or we do this calculation again. In case the result is not set, we have to get it here. We get the response, which is equal to product resource, or let's call it resource, and then we call again the cache, and now we set the products to the resource that we got, and in the end we return the resource. So this is how cache works. In case we have the result, we return the result. If not, then we set the result and return this resource that we generated. We forgot also one more thing here, which is the seconds. So we can set this value, let's say 5 seconds, and in 5 seconds it will get removed by itself. So let's see it. Let's call it the first time. We can see that it's getting delayed. Let's call it again. Now it's really fast, and now it's getting delayed again. So every 5 seconds the key gets refreshed. There is also another way to deal with this, which is also my preferred way, and let's remove this for now. Laravel has already a function for this setting and getting the key, which is cache remember. We will use the products here. So this is the key. The second parameter is the time, so in our case is 5 seconds, and we need the function, the third parameter. Let's cut this part and put it inside the function, and let's remove this part. Here we'll return the cache. The request is highlighted because we need to use it here, request. To use an external variable inside an anonymous function, we have to use it with use. Now this will work the same. If Laravel sees that the product has a value, it will return the value from the cache. If not, it will execute this function and store it for us. Let's see how it works. The first time is delaying, and the other times it works really fast, just like the other time. We'll change now the time for this cache to expire in 30 minutes. So it's 60 for seconds time 30 minutes. Let's go to the cache. Now this needs 30 minutes to expire. But what happens when we want to change a product? For example, this product with an ID 1, I already made the request here. So I will change the title to new title. Let's send the request. We have new title here, and let's see the list of the products. We can see that we have the previous title here, and we have to wait 30 minutes for this title to be changed. Sometimes we can wait, but there are other times that we need to refresh more frequently. To prevent this, we have to use events, and we have to flash the cache once the product gets updated. So let's do it now. Let's go to the product controller in the admin side, and here we have the update function. Here we need to send an event that the product is updated. So let's go to our terminal and create PHP artisan make event product updated event, and here we will send the event new product updated event. We don't need to send the products here because we only need to flash the cache. We also need to create a listener, PHP artisan make listener product cache flash. Now let's go to our event service provider, and here we will say that product updated event will trigger product cache flash. So the product updated event needs nothing basically. It can stay like this, and the product cache flash, this will just use a simple cache forget products. So when we update the product, we will forget the key products, and this will get invalidated, and next time we go to the page it will instantiate it again. So let's see it now. We can see now it's pretty fast, and let's update the title to new title 2. Let's go again here, and we can see that is loading, and we have that new title here created. And now for 30 minutes it will stay like this unless we update it again, and this cache will get invalidated. Let's do the same thing for also creating the products. So every time we change or create a product, the cache will be invalidated. So the products are now cached, but we forgot something, that we have a filter on the products. So if we filter the products with a new search term, we will get all the products again because the response is cached. So how to filter and also to cache at the same time? Let's go to our code, and we have to make some changes. This if should be outside. So let's copy this part of the code, and inside we'll just return product all. So we will cache the products here. We'll get it through a string, products. And now this is a Laravel collection. Now we don't need to run a query. We just have to filter the collection here. And in the end, we'll return the products. So let's filter the collection now. Products equal to products filter. We'll accept a function, and inside we will have the product. We will also use the search string. So inside we either return true or false. So we want all the products that the title and description contains this string s. So Laravel has already a function for it, so it's str contains product title as here, or str, let me copy this again, and here I will put the description. So now what changed is from a database query, it changed to just filter with Laravel collections, and it is more faster, since usually in bigger application you have a bigger query here that takes a lot of time, and you can filter only via the PHP. Now let's see if this works. So we have an error because here we return the product resource. The reason is because we have to clear the cache. So here I have the update, so I can clear the cache here. Now it should work. So now we can see the new title is already here. If I change the title, we can see that is getting filtered. So this is how we can filter using the cache. One other thing that we want to cache is the rankings. Right now we put a timer here for the rankings to sleep 0.5 seconds for each influencer, and the result is we usually wait 10 seconds for the result to come. Now we can put cache here and it will work fine, but the problem is once another order is completed, we have to clear the cache again, and we have to wait 10 seconds to be completed again. What we want and what can we do here is by directly sorting the rankings via Redis without needing to clear the cache. How to do it? Let me show you. Here in the rankings we will just return cache get rankings, and we have to cut this code here. So this will be the new rankings function. Now we have to create a command here, php artisan make command update rankings command. Let's go to the update rankings command, and in the handle let's paste our code, and let's make some changes here. The signature will be update rankings. We don't need a description or a constructor, so let's remove all these parts here. Let's import the users, and here let's import the order. So we don't need to return anything here, we just have to loop the users. So I will use